Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. I am Sean and this is
Debbie.
So if you're a first time here on our channel, please hit that subscription button and also hit the notification bell as well. So when we drop a new video, you get the notification same time so you can watch it and see what we're doing. Alright, so we have some new products here that we are going to try on YaadMentz today. They are lasagnas. So we have beef lasagna. Right. If you cannot see them from this view, we're going to do a close-up shot of them. We'll have the chicken lasagna, and also we have the vegetable lasagna. If you're a vegetarian and you want something in the lasagna style, there's an option for you, right? So these products, they are distributed by CPJ. CPJ is a local company here in Jamaica. We did some previous videos about different products that CPJ had done. We did one about Yamana wine. We also did some about some drinks, some other drinks that they distribute, like San Pellegrino, Glinta, and some other ones I can't remember.
But we'll leave those videos in the description and in the cards so you guys can check them out
as well. So yes, we're going to try some lasagnas today. What other information that we can share?
So I'm really excited to try these. You don't know, send me a hungry belly already, so I'm excited. Okay. And if you watch any other video of us doing any pasta or anything like that, I'm a pasta girl, so I'm very excited about these products. I believe that they are made from local products.
They are locally made.
So they are locally made in Montego Bay, Jamaica, to be specific.
By Jamaica, support Jamaica, please.
That's right.
Yes.
Also, they are available in major supermarkets for about 1,100, but that may differ depending on which supermarket that you go to.
Okay.
I like that they have 3 different flavors. That's something else that I like. So it's almost something for everybody
to try.
Understand?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so they're basically ready meals, so you guys can read the instructions, and we're going to walk you through what the instructions are in order for you to prepare them. Right. Because they're supposed to be something that's really easy and convenient, especially if you're busy or if you just can't bother one day of life, or whatever, you can do these very easily. Right. They are also having a special, so if you go on their website, cpjmarket.com, and we'll leave that in the description. Also, you can purchase 2 and get the 3rd one for free, but this is only up until the end of February. Wow. So you guys need to go and grab this.
It definitely sounds like a nice deal. Yep. So as Devon said, the instructions of how to prepare the lasagnas are on the package. I'm going to do a close-up of that as well, and also the ingredients and what's
the
that?
Nutrition facts.
Right, the nutrition facts are on the package as well. So you need to use them in the oven, right? You need to heat them up in the oven, I should say. Yeah. And you remove the lids, which we're going to show some shots of us preparing it.
Yeah, but you do need the oven. I think you have 2 options to do it, whether you defrost it first and then put it in the oven. Right. Or maybe you didn't have the time to defrost it first. You still need to put it in the oven, but obviously
it's more time if it's frozen versus if it's thawed. So
we kept these in our freezer until we were ready to shoot.
So
they take them out a little bit.
They're basically thawed. Yeah. So I think the thawed option is 70 minutes, and if they're frozen, it's an hour and a half. But you can watch it just to make sure it's cooked thoroughly. So we are going to prepare them, and then when we come back, you will see us trying them, devouring and eating. I'm excited for True to try these products, for real. I like lasagnas. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we are back. Like, my belly literally are grumble, like I've been saving my stomach all day for this.
Alright.
So tell them what you did, because Sean was the one who put everything together.
Alright, I think in the previous clip I had mentioned that I thawed them. So after they were thawed for a while, they were out of the fridge for a while, I basically put them on a sheet, a baking sheet. and then put them in the oven to let them bake. The oven to let them bake at the specified time that was on the package, which is 375 degrees, so which is 190 degrees Celsius on the oven that we have.
And the time?
I think it's around 1 hour, couple minutes. I let them bake for bake for. So we're going to dive in. We'll plate them out. So
we have the beef here, chicken in the middle, and the vegetable.
We have our knife and fork because I feel like it's a knife and fork.
I probably won't use my knife, so don't pre-wait. And we have water.
And we have water to wash down the palate. So
wash down the palate.
Yeah, to wash off the palate so that when we eat, we don't mix up the taste and everything. So which one you want to start with?
Vegetable.
A vegetable. All right.
What you might use knife?
Exactly. That's why I put the knife so I can cut. You know.
True. Probably need it for sure.
See it? I think about the right thing, friend. Still a bit hot.
Ooh, this is nice. And it has, based on what I can see, it has
green peas,
string beans, carrot. What else is in there? And I think it has I don't know if it's pak choy or kalaloo or spinach or something. I don't know if it's kalaloo or pak choy. I don't feel like it's meant pak choy. See?
Yeah.
Looks like pak choy. Well. Looks like pak choy to me.
The blend is really nice. The blend is really nice. There's nothing to me overpowering anything at all. Normally the sauce might be too much or the cheese might be too much, but I think the blend is really nice. Let me get one last taste of this.
Yeah, the flavor is really nice.
It is.
I agree. Nice option if you're looking for something meatless. It's a very good option.
Can you take up your knife, please?
Yes, sir.
So which one are we going to next?
Chicken. Okay. I think we should just go in order.
Wash off the palate.
Alright. Ooh.
And I think they baked really nice as well.
Yeah, they did. Alright, we really need a knife too.
Sorry, let me get that cut. Go ahead.
The steam is going.
Yeah.
Definitely really hot still. Lest I burn myself. Let me cool it first. The chicken is like almost like crummy, like crumbs.
Right. Really
crumbled.
Like a minced. It's like minced. The chicken is like minced. But you can definitely taste the hint of chicken. No, it's not.
I think I'd probably want a little bit more flavor in this one though. It's not bad. Maybe a little bit more sauce. What do you think?
For me, I think they should have, I guess, shouldn't mince the chicken, but chunks of chicken. A little bit more like a chunk like chicken. I think the mince kind of I'm looking for a word, but I think I would rather the chicken be minced, but you still taste the chicken. You still have that chicken essence in it, so it's the blend is not bad. I like the blend. The seasoning and everything is not too salty, peppery, so everything is just right for me.
Yeah, that one could have used a little bit more something for me. It's still not bad, but I think the vegetable one definitely has a lot more flavor than the chicken one.
Okay.
So this is beef now.
Yeah.
Ooh. This one was like the easiest to dive into. Like really creamy. Ooh. Hot.
It's hot. Remind me, I eat a hot patty.
I have to go.
Yeah, can't wait for biting into the patty.
Yeah, you know somebody eat hungry already.
But the beef.
This one is the most, what would I say? Like in terms of, I don't know, softness. I don't know. It's a lot more liquidy in texture than the chicken and the vegetable one.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad to me personally. I don't know. The vegetable one seems to be the most flavorful one. That's just what I think. But it's not bad. Consistency and texture is not bad. But I just want a little bit more flavor.
For me, for all of them, I think the flavors are good. I think the beef is just right up there where beef lasagna is concerned. Yeah, to me the taste is just right. It's just right for me. I think the taste is just right for me.
Yeah,
and I like the fact that they're very easy to make. You know, you just take them out of the fridge and you thaw them if you have time, and you just put them in the oven and bake them for a while, and you have a nice little meal. I wish we had some garlic bread to eat with it. That would have been really nice with it. To offset the flavor and everything. So yeah, but guys,
which one was your favorite? Which one was your favorite out of the 3 flavors? Which one was your favorite?
I would say the beef. I would say the beef was my favorite.
And I would say the vegetable one was my favorite.
Yeah.
I feel like it had the most like flavor and like blend was just perfect.
Yeah. Well, guys,
do you give it, before we say that, so would you give this a YaadMentz thumbs up, halfway thumb, or thumbs down?
I would give Bellefield Easy Meals Lasagnas a thumbs up.
I'll give it a halfway thumb. I'll give it a halfway thumb. Not bad, but I feel like maybe you can spruce it up how you want it to, depending on what your palate is like.
Okay, you can add a little more flavor to it.
Yeah, you can add some Parmesan cheese or whatever. You can do what you want with it, but they're not bad.
Right, if they're making it for a general consumption, so they don't want to make it too salty or too sweet, because everybody tastes and like things a certain way. So if you can make something for the general public, if you want to add a little, if you want to spruce up your thing a little more, it's up to you. But for me, it gets a thumbs up because the flavor across each one of them are consistent, right? They didn't drop the ball on any one of them. For the chicken, I wish they had done some chunks, for the chicken instead of mincing it. But I'm not sure why they mince it, but I still give it a thumbs up though. I still give it a thumbs up. So guys, again, we want to thank you for tuning into another YaadMentz Tries videos. We hope you like this video. If you're out there and you're saying the Bellefield Easy Meal Lasagna, give it a try. We want to thank CPJ for letting us try these products and giving a review on them. So comment in the comment section and tell us if you have seen them, if you have tried them. But if not, guys, you can go out there. They're on the market. They have a special, as they've mentioned before. So get yourself one of these easy meals. You can have them in the fridge at any time when you're ready. In the freezer. Sorry,
keep them frozen.
Sorry, in the freezer. And you can have them at any time. And yeah, they're good.
So I just want to remind you guys also to subscribe to our channel. Leave in the comments what else you would like to try, or if you've tried these before, leave that in the comments and let us know what you thought about them. Also, remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and like our Facebook page at YaadMentz also. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.